Is your Tesla Model S console door, also known as the sliding cover or lid, jammed? Don't panic. This is a relatively common issue, especially in older models. We'll explain the common causes and guide you through troubleshooting and fixes, starting with the simplest solutions. The Tesla Model S console door features a sophisticated motorized sliding mechanism that smoothly opens to reveal storage compartments, wireless charging pads, or USB ports underneath. At its core, the mechanism relies on an electric motor that provides the driving force for the sliding motion. This motor connects to a rack and pinion gear system, where the pinion gear rotates to move the rack linearly, creating the smooth sliding action. Sensors and micro switches work together to detect the door's position and prevent overextension or jamming. Jamming issues can occur due to mechanical wear from dust and debris, electrical faults in wiring or sensors, software glitches from outdated firmware, or even forceful manual operation that damages components. Tesla often addresses console door issues with software updates. These updates can fix jamming problems caused by calibration errors or sensor glitches. The first step is to check if your Model S has the latest firmware. Updates often include fixes for console door issues. Look for Firmware Update 2025.48.15, which added the console lid reset feature. This update helps detect and recalibrate the mechanism. On the touchscreen, navigate to the Service menu and select Console Lid Reset. This option recalibrates the console door mechanism. The Service Mode display shows diagnostic tools, including the Console Lid Reset feature for resolving software-related jams. Selecting this option runs a recalibration process that can fix many jamming issues caused by software glitches or sensor misalignment. If the software reset fails to resolve the console door issue, manual intervention may be necessary. Begin by lubricating the hinges with a silicone spray to reduce friction. Apply the silicone lubricant directly to the hinge areas. This helps prevent binding caused by dust or wear. Allow a few minutes for the lubricant to penetrate. Next, gently pry the lid while cycling the car's power. Turn the vehicle off and on again to reset the mechanism. Then carefully lift the lid with minimal force to dislodge any stuck debris. As a temporary workaround, use a credit card to manually slide the lid open while applying lubricant. Insert the card gently along the edge and slide it to release the mechanism. These methods should dislodge any accumulated debris and restore smooth operation. If the issue persists, professional service may be required. Mechanical wear in the console door mechanism often results from accumulated dust or breakdown of lubricants, leading to gear binding that prevents smooth operation. Electrical faults can occur when sensors fail or wiring becomes damaged, causing the motor to misfire and lock the door in place. To address these issues, inspect the hinges for wear, clean accumulated debris, and check for loose electrical connections. If problems continue, professional diagnosis at a Tesla service center is recommended. When software resets and manual interventions like lubrication fail to fix the Tesla Model S console door jamming, it's necessary to schedule a visit to a Tesla service center for professional diagnosis and repair. At the service center, certified technicians will use OBD2 diagnostic scans to identify the root cause, which could include solenoid failures, electrical faults, or worn mechanical components. Common issues detected include faulty solenoids or micro switches in the hinge mechanism, often requiring replacement of parts like the solenoid valve or wiring harnesses. These extensive repairs typically take about 45 minutes and cost between $0 and $200, depending on warranty coverage. Tesla service centers are equipped with specialized tools to handle these electromechanical systems efficiently. Tesla issued a voluntary recall in the fourth quarter of 2025 for Model S vehicles manufactured between 2017 and 2023. This recall addresses faulty micro switches in the console door mechanism that can cause jamming. For preventative maintenance, regular inspections are recommended, especially annual checks for older models with high mileage. This helps prevent issues before they occur. Future Model S designs aim to eliminate these console door issues entirely. Experts predict a significant drop in hardware faults thanks to AI-assisted predictive maintenance that anticipates problems before they occur. Tesla's push for zero-touch service models means many fixes will happen automatically through over-the-air updates, without you ever needing to visit a service center. Modular console designs will make components easier to replace and upgrade, promising more reliable mechanisms in coming years. Stay tuned for future innovations in EV console technology.